of the day. But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Matthew chapter 6, verse 33. Hello, Flavor Family. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a simple but yet delicious breakfast. And if you would like to see how you could recreate this, stay tuned. Jumping right in, we are going to start by combining all of our dry ingredients. And as always, I've got you. Everything that I'm using as well as the measurements will be down below in the description box down below. So far to my bowl, you have seen me add all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, salt, ground cinnamon, and also ground nutmeg. Once all the dry ingredients are ready to go, we are going to sift this through, and I'm using a sifter because this helps us to get a smooth batter. As well as I'm just gonna whisk it just a little bit to combine everything, and we're gonna set that aside. In another mixing bowl, we're going to crack in 2 large eggs. And by the way, all my wet ingredients are at room temperature. After the eggs, I added melted butter, vanilla extract, and half. And with my mixer on a low speed, I am just going to smoothly combine our wet ingredients. Bringing back our dry ingredients, we are going to add this in a third at a time just to ensure a smooth and consistent batter. And you will see me switch to a whisk here because this spatula was just not doing it for me, guys. Before we add in the last third of the dry ingredients, I'm gonna come in with my last cup of half and half. I used 2 cups total for this recipe. However, I like to add them separately because it just kind of helps me to gauge how runny the batter is going to be. But after I added that, I'm going to now add in that last third of the batter, and we are going to thoroughly combine this until it is nice and smooth. Alright, so here we are ready to go. Our batter is smooth, and as you can see, our consistency is runny because we are making crepes. But over to our stove here, I'm just going to grease my pan with a little bit of oil to prevent sticking. Once that's nice and hot and ready to go, I'm gonna pour in a cup of my batter, and I'm gonna tilt the pan so that the batter can kind of just run along the whole bottom and the sides of the pan. Then I'm just gonna allow this to cook on medium-low heat for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. My little trick that I like to use to know when it's ready to flip is when the batter up top is no longer white and it's settled down, and then you get like these kind of sweat beads or like these little glistening things on top. If you can see that, that's how I know that my crepe is ready to flip on the other side. Or once you see that the edges have started getting a little toasty brown, that's how you know it's also ready to flip. But after about 1 to 2 minutes, I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a flip and cook this on the other side as well. Once that's done, all you really have to do is just rinse and repeat. Once you're all done with your batter, all you have to do is plate and dress these. You can roll them if you choose to. You can fold them up into little triangles like this if you like to. You can add whatever toppings that you like to add, whether it's fruit, chocolate, syrup, whipped cream. Literally, the world is your oyster. Or you can have them plain. They're just as good plain as well. But that's my entire recipe, my darlings. Super quick, easy, and incredibly delicious. If you did enjoy this video or any of my content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to join the flavor family. As well as if you do try this recipe, don't forget to drop me a comment down below and tell me how it went. I'd love to hear from you. But guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.